Hi, I'm Luke Farrell, and this is the Great British Chef's Signature Series. Plaza Khao Gaeng is basically like a sort of Thai canteen, simple family-run places where people, on their way to work would stop off for breakfast. It's really comfort food. Years ago, I just fell in love with the country and the food. It was so exciting, everything that was there. It's as simple as that, really. And I think now I'm in too deep. Thai people are very hospitable and understanding, and they want to share their cuisine. So the journey that I've had to get to Plaza Khao Gaeng has been an absolute joy. Hi, my name's Luke Farrell and we're at Plaza Khao Gaeng, and I'm going to be making a shrimp paste relish. In Thai that's called nam chub. So it's what you'd find on every khao gaeng or curry rice restaurant in southern Thailand, and it's shrimp paste and garlic and chilies, palm sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, and it's something you could just run through hot rice, and that would be something that would be enough for lunch with a couple of interesting herbs. Of the poorer parts in southern Thailand, that's all they might have for lunch, or something like that. But it's still packed full of flavour. It's a wholesome meal in itself. So I've got some chilies in here, red and green bird's eye chilies, and then again these little tiny scud ones just for those floral top notes. And garlic and coriander root in here. Again, that's a sort of lemony flavour that's nice. And with a bit of salt, I just pound it. What we're looking for is a coarse paste, really. Okay, so that's now to a rough, well, kind of more of a fine paste. The next thing that's going in is the shrimp paste. This one is from Nakhon Si Thammarat. It's a coastal province in southern Thailand. And you can tell that it's a good quality one. First of all, by the gentle colour. It's not some arresting pink or completely black. And it's got these little tiny black dots in it, and those are the actual krill eyes, the eyes of the little shrimp. It's dried naturally in the sun. There's no other adulterants in it. It's 100% dried and fermented krill. So that goes in. And also we've got coconut palm sugar. It's going to help with the kind of the fieriness of this. It has to be rounded in nam chub. It's like, if you go to a khao gaeng, it's everything in a little tiny ramekin like that of the chef's palate or the cook's palate. That goes in. So we start pounding that up just to get it together. And then we're going to put in Calamansi limes from my garden. You can use lime juice, but they have a kind of like that sharp sourness, which is what you need in this food. The limes at the moment probably aren't quite as sharp as that. So I'm going to squeeze some of this in. And then we're going to switch to a spoon and have it with fresh vegetables. Okay, that's the sort of consistency you want, that you can dip things into it. That's going in a little dipping sauce bowl. Onto a plate with some of the herbs I picked this morning, like this buzz buttons, pak krat. It needs like a sort of numbing, fizzy taste. These cleansing piper leaves. This is leaf from Brazilian pink peppercorns, which is sort of bitter. And then just some winter mustards and lettuce here. So the idea is that you would dip into the nam chub like that, and have it with rice. It's great. This is my southern Thai shrimp paste relish with herbs from my greenhouses.